It starts with a question. Why does the wind change? Where does the rain come from? Then we go outside and we find out together. This is where it all begins.
2, 1, action! Today the weather is 9 degrees Celsius and 0 millimeters. You might need a sweater, and it's very, very sunny.
We're taught to honor the land. An Indigenous expert shows us that the land already knows the answers. You just have to learn how to listen to it. We discover which plants are home here, what the soil needs, how everything from the design, the roots, and the rain is all connected. We're not just growing a garden. We're growing something much bigger. We bring the classroom into nature and nature into our class.
Found a worm.
And then something shifts. You stop asking what the world is and start imagining what it could be. We're creating solutions and exploring outside these walls. Did you know that mushrooms can be used for sustainable packaging? Compostable leather? This is where we grow impact. This is where the next generation of climate leaders are born. And we're just getting started.